Have you ever asked an AI something and the answer came back kind of weird? Here's the secret, most of the time it wasn't the AI's fault, it was the way we asked. So today I will teach you simple skill that instantly makes AI more useful. It's called prompt engineering. Don't worry about the fancy name, it just means learning how to ask well. Let me show you how. Here's the big idea. It is the same AI either way, but how you ask changes everything. Watch. If you type write about dogs, you get a short, boring paragraph you can't really use. But if you ask, give me five fun facts about, let's say, German Shepherd, Golden Retrievers for kids, you get exactly what you pictured. Same tool, totally different result. And that skill, asking well, is what we call prompt engineering. Before the how to, get this one picture in your head. Imagine the AI is a brilliant new assistant who just started today. Three things are true about them. One, they are super capable. They know a huge amount and work fast. Two, they are very literal. They do exactly what you say, nothing more. And three, they cannot read your mind. They know nothing about you unless you tell them. So your whole job is simple. Give clear, complete instructions. So what goes into a good instruction? Think of it like a recipe with four ingredients. First, the role. Tell the AI who to be, like you are a friendly teacher. Second, the task. Say exactly what you want to do. Third, the context. Give the background it needs, like who it is for. And fourth, the format. Say how the answer should look like. For example, bullet points or a short paragraph. Role, task, context, format. Add those four and your results jump right away. Let's see that in action. Here's a weak prompt. Give me some tips to sleep better. It's it's vague. The AI has to guess everything. Now let's rebuild it with our four ingredients. You are a friendly sleep coach. That's the role. Give me five simple tips to fall asleep faster. The task. I use screens late and drink coffee at night. The context. And list them as short bullet points. The format. Same question, but now the AI knows exactly who to be, what to do, and how to answer night and day. Now let's cover a few golden habits, starting with the most important one, be specific. Remember, vague in, vague out. So swap fuzzy words for real details instead of write about. Say write 150 words in simple English instead of make it good. Say make it warm, friendly, and a bit funny. Instead of for people, say for busy beginners with no jargon. A good checklist, tell it the length, the audience, the tone, and the goal. The more you spell out, the closer it lands. Here's a powerful one. Show an example. Don't just tell. One good example teaches the AI your style in an instant. Look at this. I say, turn names into greetings. Example, Sam becomes, hi Sam. Then I add, now do Priya and Marco. And instantly it copies the pattern. Hi Priya, hi Marco. Name style, same little wave. The pros have a name for this. They call it few shot, but you can just remember, give it the pattern once and it will follow it perfectly. Next rule, for hard jobs, break them into steps. A big messy task confuses everyone, even a smart AI. So if you say write my whole website, it gets muddled. Instead, chop it first. First you can outline the pages, then draft one page, then polish the words. Small steps, better results. And here's a lovely little trick. For tricky question, just add the word, let's think step by step. That simple phrase makes the AI slow down and reason more carefully. And it often gets the right answer. And the last habit is the most important one. Treat it like conversation. Don't expect a perfect answer on the first try. Almost nobody gets that. Instead, nudge it. Say, write a birthday message for my dad. It gives you something nice but generic. So you say, make it shorter and funnier, better, then add a line about finishing. And now it's perfect. Each little tweak steers it closer to exactly what you want. You are not stuck with the first reply, you are now steering the conversation. So let's flip it around. The mistakes to watch out for, number one, and the biggest by far, being too vague. The fix is just to add details. Number two, asking for 10 things in one go. Instead, give it one clear job at a time. Number three, assuming it already knows your situation. Remember, it can't read your mind, so give it the context. And number four, forgetting to say the format. Always tell it how you want the answer to look. Avoid those four and you are already ahead of many people. Here's a little gift you can steal and use forever. A simple fill in the blanks template. It goes like this. Act as a your role. Do this, your task. Here's the context, your key details, and give the answer as your format. That's it. Just fill in the four blanks with your own words, and you will have a strong, clear prompt, better than what most people ever write. Keep this one in your notes. Let's pull it all together. One on the one side, the recipe, the four things to put in a prompt: role, task, context, and format. On the other side, the habits that make them shine. Be specific, show an example, break big jobs into steps, and keep refining. Put those together, and you get great answers out of any AI and almost any topic and anything. So here's the one line to remember. You don't need secret magic words. You just need clear, complete instruction. That's the whole art of prompt engineering. Try it on your very next question and watch out how much better the answer gets. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you will ask your AI first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.